Good morning, everyone. How are you? I hope everyone is fine there. This is teacher Nadeem. I'm making this video for batch 11, but batch 12 students also can do this practice at home. You will get more knowledge about how to install Microsoft Windows 8 and 10 on virtual platform. If you have not seen my video about like last video I have made uh, I have done installation for Windows XP and Windows 7. In this video we will start with Microsoft Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. So what we will do, we will start with our VMware workstation. I will start this. Okay, if you have seen my last video, so we already installed Windows XP, okay, and Windows 7 and batch 11 for activity purpose. Just have a look over here. For Windows 7 I have given memory 2 GB, processor is 1 by default, hard disk is SCSI. I can change it to SATA also, but I am using here SCSI by default 60 GB. For Windows XP, 1 GB of RAM, one processor, 40 GB by default, hard disk, IDE. Okay, here it is IDE. So I will ask you this question in your quiz. So just have a look in here. And today we will start first Windows 8. You know how to create a VM. VM means virtual machine. If you don't know, just go back to the next last video and you will understand. So first what I will do, I will again here increase the RAM size because I have 8 GB of RAM in my system, so I will give 2 GB for this. Okay, and other things by default 60 GB, and other things I will not do any changes over here. And for Windows 10 also I will give 2 GB. If you have 4 GB RAM, please give 1 GB. It is sufficient, no problem. I have more RAM, and if you have more RAM you can increase the RAM capacity. Okay, so these were the settings which I have done, and now I have to show where is the file. So here CD DVD, we are not using any CD or DVD, we are using uh, ISO image. So I will go to auto detect. Okay, use ISO image file, browse, and in C drive I kept in ISO for Windows 8, Windows 8 9 in 1. Okay, okay, here, and I will power. Now destination is set. So this is the, where is the file, you can see. And now I will power on my virtual machine. So installation will begin now. This is all similar to Windows 7. Okay, so it is getting started now. You can see it is loading. As this will start, we will create partition, and after that I will start Windows 10. So simultaneously two operating system will install. Okay, I will take by default language. If you want to change, you can change it, but I don't think here you will get option. No, you have only, but for language, yes, current time format, take a default one. Next, install. Okay, and this is getting started now. So this is all-in-one ISO. So here I have many options like Windows 30, Windows 8 32-bit or 64-bit. What I will do, I will select uh, Windows 8 32-bit. Okay, Pro x86, it's 32-bit. Okay, next, license agreement, I will accept the agreement. Next, Now this machine is blank, there is nothing in it, so we cannot do any upgrade, but we will customize. So the hard disk is 60 GB. So what we will do, we will go over here in the drive option advanced, and we'll make some partition new. We'll make it 30,000 means half. Apply. Okay, so my first drive is primary 30 GB. Second is unallocated. I will create partition again, and rest all for the drive D. Okay, apply. That's it. Now don't do next year. Okay, first is 30 GB over here. You have to select this. If you will create and you will just do next, all file will be installed in D drive. Okay, so we have to install in C drive, so this keep in mind. Okay, I will ask you some question in quiz where you have to install the file, so keep in mind. And then next, and now this installation is getting start. Okay, now we will go back to Windows 10. So this is the beauty of virtualization. Simultaneously you can do many things on this platform. Okay, so 2 GB RAM, other things are good. Now we have to set where is the ISO. So use ISO image, browse, and in C drive, ISO for Windows 10 X. I'm sorry, unfortunately the file is not available. I'm sorry, but ISO is not available in this folder. I have not checked before, I'm sorry for that, and I will cancel this. So we will focus on Windows 8. Very soon I will just download the Windows 10 file, and we will install the Windows 10 also, and inshallah I'm planning to teach you about Windows 10. After Windows 10 we will start some knowledge about Linux, Ubuntu, and maybe Red Hat, not sure, but I will try. Okay, and Macintosh, not installation, I have an image. So the environmental settings, like what you can do in Macintosh OS X, uh, Lion, and after this all installation, then I will show you all the environmental settings, the important one for troubleshooting part, and where is this and that we will see in later on. Okay, and if you will have any question about this, so you can ask me. If you want to download the file, I have sent you the link on WhatsApp group, you can download from there. And now system will reboot, so because all the file has been copied in C drive. Okay, now machine will boot with the C drive. So I will enlarge this full screen. Okay, now system is booting up, not from ISO, from C drive. So yep, here we go. And if you have any questions, you can ask me on WhatsApp group. Okay, and in And please do your quiz on time, because like whenever tomorrow maybe I will send you some new quiz about the interface or the device, like ports, and what we have done last in last class and last session. Okay. And for attendance, don't give response, I don't have product key now. So what I will do, I will skip and I will use as a free trial version. Okay. And this are some settings. You have to set your name. Okay, I will give my name. Next, use express settings. So it is asking you about email ID. Okay, I will go back, I will express customize. See what happened. If you will do express setting, it will ask you email ID and other things. If you don't want to give, just go for customize, and then no, don't turn on sharing or connect to device or network public place. And now here settings, what you want to do, just automatically keep it all settings same. Next, next, next. Again it is asking the same thing. Okay, sign up without Microsoft account, local account. This is important. You can log in with email ID. If you will put email ID of Microsoft, if you have Hotmail or iCloud, okay, you can use that. Or you can create new one and you can access, if you have internet you can access directly, or else you can sign in without a Microsoft account. Okay, and create a local account. So here local account like Nadeem PC, password I don't want to put, finish, and things are settled now. So don't get confused, like I showed you all the steps very nicely, so follow the steps and do the thing. So just wait for a moment, everything is getting ready now. Just showing you the interface of Windows 8. Okay, okay, that's it, nothing much. So here your Windows 8 is installed. I will press sorry, I will minimize. So this is your applications, by default applications are there. Okay, now here in my computer You can see your screen, main screen. 60 GB hard disk was there, using out of 30 GB C drive, free space 19.3. Now this drive is not formatted, so what we'll do, we'll right click, format, quick format with NTFS, new technology file system, start. There is no data in it and it's not created. Now okay, format completed. Okay, and don't again start, just simply close. So this is your D drive, it's empty. Okay, so that's it, nothing much. And if you have any question regarding installation, you can ask me on WhatsApp. Thank you very much. Thank you.